Hey everybody, welcome to this masterclass. In this masterclass, you're going to learn how you can make your first $10,000 selling funnels. It's an amazing training. I'm putting a lot of time and effort into it. I was going to hold back on a few things and charge for it, but I was like, nope, I'm just going to throw it all in here for you guys. So let me just go over here what we're going to go after. But before we go into the actual details, let me just tell you who I am. If you don't know who I am, I'm Bolivar. I'm the owner of funnelvibe.com. I build marketing funnels for all types of businesses. A lot of my clients are coaches and course creators. So that's kind of my target niche. However, I get local businesses, I get influencers reaching out to me to help them with their marketing funnels. I built over 100 funnels so far, probably been 120 right now. Got 3 system awards. You can see some in the back. I got 2 up here in my wall as well. 250,000, 100,000, and the affiliate one as well. I work with clients from all over the world. Like I said, that's one thing I love about funnels. It's not just focused on a local area. I mean, you could if you wanted to. However, it can be scalable to around the globe, right? I think 70% of my clients right now, they're not even in the U.S., and that's where I'm based in. Yeah, so Funnelvibe right now is a 6-figure agency, multiple 6 figures. However, I want to get to the 7 figures as soon as possible, so I'm working hard every single day to make that happen. Hopefully, you're along with me and join me on this journey, right? I want to see you guys succeed as well. I have a funnel building course as well. It's on funnelvibe.com. You can go and check it out if you want. I have over 300 students on there where I teach them how to build funnels, specifically on system.io. However, I teach general concepts as well that can be applied for other niches as well. My community, the way I wanted to grow things since I started Funnelvibe wasn't just doing ads. It wasn't DMing or cold outreach. I really wanted to create a community that was based on value, right? So it's the more value you give, the more people trust you, the more people are willing to buy from you, the more opportunity you have to grow, right? So that's the way I grew Funnelvibe, and that's the way I'm going to show you guys to grow your business as well. Not only because it's proven to work, but it also makes you feel good. It's you're actually helping other people along the way, and at the same time, you're helping yourself, right? So started from zero in 2021, Funnelvibe. I was actually in an RV. I was in an RV in the back of my parents' house. I can go into detail on that, but don't want to bore you guys with my story. But anyway, I was just in an RV, started researching funnels, built my first templates, then I got my first client, and then eventually started snowballing right to where it is now. I'll share some more of this on my YouTube and some other social media channels, but for now, that's kind of just high level overview. I know you guys are here for what you guys are going to learn in the course. Like I said, I broke it down into simple, easy to understand modules.
Get access to the same 5-star rated all-in-one marketing platform that Bolivar uses to make 6 figures each year. It has all the tools you need to market, sell, and deliver your offers. You can easily create high-converting funnels, websites, blogs, courses, memberships, communities, webinars, plus email marketing and incredible automation tools. You can even build e-commerce stores and manage affiliates all in one place. For a limited time, you can get up to 40% off right now and over $6,000 in free bonuses when you sign up today. These start at an insanely low $16 per month. Go to systembonus.com now or click link 2 in the description before this offer ends.
So let's open this up. So this is going to be the high-level overview of what we're going to go through. So here, we're watching this welcome video here, which is the introduction of what's going to be happening. The foundations module, getting clients module, fulfillment module is meant to get you down to scaling to 10K. Like I said, there were some modules in here that I charged for actually in my actual course, and some things that all these modules here, they're not even in my course yet, so I'm just going to give them to you guys right here. I was I could charge, but I'm going to give you guys so much value that you're going to go want to learn more from me and from what I have to offer. So foundations, we're going to help you choose your niche. Then we're going to market research, competitor research to make sure you like that niche. We're going to build a unique funnel playbook. Everything else follows this playbook. Once we create a playbook, then you're able to go out and actually sell that playbook to other people. And then we're going to go into the U funnel. The U funnel is just pretty much you branding yourself and your business so you can look legit online. And then we're going to go into client acquisition. This is where we teach you how to get clients, right? So there's going to be introduction, then building your niche, so the audience in that niche, client getting conversations. What's cool about this, I'm actually going to give you guys DMs scripts that you guys can use. I have a full flow chart that you guys can follow to get your first paying client, and then how you can close the deal. After that, after you close the deal, obviously you got to go deliver what you promised, and that's when we're going to go into fulfillment. Fulfillment, I'm going to teach you a kind of introduction, high-level overview, how you can onboard a client, how we use AI to create copywriting, how to design your funnel, how to build it out, and then delivering your project. And then after that, I'm gonna show you just to break down the numbers for you in terms of how you can get to your first 10K. And then I'll offer you some ways you guys can follow me if you want to learn more from me, or if you want more resources to help you get there. All right, so hopefully you guys are excited about this. I'm excited as well. Right now, we're gonna go into module 1, lesson 1, which is choosing your niche. Like I said, hopefully you guys are excited. I'm excited to see you guys progress through this journey. So see you guys on the next one.